Okay, Jay, so this is a quick video on how we make these changes, right? So let's take a look here. Okay, so here's what we're doing. Let's say maybe we want to change this picture. There's 4 columns. We click here. We hit change background, column background. We go to image, and then we pick our image from there. And then it switches out the image in the background. Now, once you do that, you're changing categories. You're going to have to make sure to check the button next. So click here, change text, write in whatever. And this was appliances. And then after you do that, you need to click here to make sure that it's linked to the page. Appliances. Done. And that's pretty much it there, man. Now, give me 1 second. Let me just make sure the mobile's tight. And I'm having to resize these here because the columns are a little bit smaller. So if you need to resize these at any point, like maybe you're scrolling down and you notice this one's bigger than that one, if you click inside it, it selects column, number, and over here it shows you how tall they are, how wide they are. So this is where you change it at. Click right here, and then boom, make it to 320 so that they're all even. That's good to go. Now, I'm not going to have enough time tonight, man, to do these other categories because that's like another... It's like 20 pages, dude. I don't have the time. Now, with that being said, though, let me show you how to do what you wanted to do earlier, right? So let's say that we're no longer going to do... 1 second here, men's apparel. So let's say we're no longer going to do... shorts, right? Because we already have shorts over here. So we want to make, or maybe let's ignore this, right? Hold on. Let's go to women's apparel. Okay, so here we go, right? Maybe we want to consider swimwear and fitness to be one and the same. So here's what we got to do. First, we got to create the page first. So use this as your default template. Go to manage. Select right here. Duplicate the page. And then this is going to be called fitness and swimwear. So you have to double click in here to do that. Right here. Now, remember, once we have this page, we need to move it to your subcategories because that's exactly what it's going to be. So we have to come down to the subcategory for women's. Where's it at? Fitness and swimwear. Here it is, right? Now, let's go back to the women's apparel. We're going to have to set our link on the main page to it now. So here we go. So now what we would do is first we would change the text to swimwear and fitness. We're going to click the link right here on page. Which page does it link to? We scroll down and we find it. Fitness and swimwear. We hit done and boom, that's it. It's good to go. Now, whatever you do here though, you're going to have to go back and do to all the other subcategories. So, you're going to change it here in these repeater boxes. And then you're going to have to go down here to the subcategories for women. And you're going to have to change it on sneakers, watches and accessories, all that good stuff. So that's something to be aware of. Whenever you make a change there, you're going to have to change it in here as well. And I'm deleting that because we're not doing it. Now, I know we talked earlier about how to do the text, right? So here's what I was kind of telling you. So here's some products, right? Let's say, hey, I want to go through and I want to add some text to it. I want to give a description. So the easiest thing that's going to be to do is to click your little button, drag your button down, hit add, hit text, hit right here. Now this is going to drop a text box. This text is like color white, so we're going to hit edit. We're going to switch the color to black. The font's too big to fit in there, so we're going to drop it down to about a 12. Now that it's a 12, we're going to click and we're going to drag it in. You see how it says repeater in blue? We're going to add it in right here. And now we want it to match the same length as this. So we're going to click this. We're going to expand it. You see those lines? That means everything's the same now. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to copy and paste my description in. Leather, beige, suede, ankle, boots. And boom, that's in there. But what about this? Now we want to add it to the Yeezys too, right? Let's click the button. We drag the button down. And now it's completely even. Oh shit, hold on. Now it's completely even. So we want to put a description over here as well. The easiest thing is going to be to Control C. Come over here, click it once, click it twice, Control V. Oops, that put it back over here. So just click this and drag it right here. Now, just to give you the heads up, if you're copying and pasting from this repeater bar, it doesn't matter if you're in here or not, it's going to send the text back over here in this repeater. So you may end up with double text on top of each other, and you're not going to really know. So you're going to end up with text like this. Except you're not going to be able to see it, but just know that's where the text went. So click it, select it, drag it out. Line it up just like you did the other one. Right about, these purple lines show you if you're in the middle of if you're even. And then boom, write your description. That's how you do that, man. Now, if at any point you hit to a product and you're clicking it and it's going nowhere, it's because it's not linked. Anytime you're linking out to your affiliate link, you need to have web address and the link put in. So if you're going through and you hit any product that doesn't go anywhere, it's not broken, it's just not linked. And I think that's pretty much it, man. We hit everything that we set out to right now.